Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a video even though Clipchamp doesn't have a built-in reverse feature. We'll use a quick workaround that's beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to easygif.com. Click on Video to GIF, then choose your video file or drag it into the upload box. Step 2. After uploading, go to the reverse section on EasyGIF. Upload your video or GIF again and click Reverse Video. Wait for the tool to process your file. Step 3. Once it's reversed, click the Download button to save it to your device. Step 4. Now, go to clipchamp.com, create a new project, and drag your reversed video into the timeline. You can now add music, effects, or transitions in Clipchamp, just like any regular video. Bonus tip. For better quality, convert the reversed GIF back into MP4 before editing in Clipchamp. You can also use tools like Cloud Convert or Ease GIF's GIF to MP4 converter for this. And that's how you reverse a video and edit it in Clipchamp using this simple workaround. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more creative tutorials. See you next time!